Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that's perfect for anyone looking to take their photography or videography to the next level. We found the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera kit online and have included a link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what makes the Canon EOS R50 such an impressive camera. This mirrorless camera features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor paired with the powerful Digic X processor. What does this mean for you? It means stunning image clarity and incredible detail, whether you're capturing a breathtaking landscape or a close-up portrait. The high image quality is one of its standout features, making it a solid choice for photography enthusiasts. But that's not all. The Canon EOS R50 also excels in high-speed continuous shooting. You can capture fast-moving subjects with ease, thanks to its ability to shoot up to 12 frames per second with the electronic first curtain shutter and up to 15 frames per second using the electronic shutter. This is particularly useful for action shots or when you want to capture the perfect moment while vlogging. Speaking of vlogging, the advanced autofocus system is another feature that sets this camera apart. With dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology, the EOS R50 offers autofocus coverage that spans up to 100% of the image area across 651 AF zones. This means you can effortlessly track subjects like people, animals, or even vehicles, making it an ideal companion for video recording. The camera uses deep learning technology for auto-subject detection, ensuring your subjects stay sharp and in focus. One of the most challenging aspects of photography and videography is working in low-light conditions. Fortunately, the Canon EOS R50 provides exceptional low-light performance. With its advanced A+ assist, you can capture stunning images even in difficult settings, such as at night or in backlit situations. This feature expands the camera's capabilities in auto mode, allowing for greater creative expression. When it comes to video recording, the EOS R50 does not disappoint. It offers 6K oversampled uncropped 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, delivering smooth and detailed footage. For those looking to create high frame rate content, it supports full HD recording at up to 120 frames per second. Plus, the movie for close-up demo mode allows the camera to quickly switch focus to the subject closest to it, which is a handy feature for product reviews or tutorials. For a superior viewing experience, the camera is equipped with a 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder and a ClearView LCD2 vari-angle touchscreen. This allows for easy composition and shooting from virtually any angle, giving you the flexibility to capture shots that would otherwise be difficult. Connectivity is another strength of the Canon EOS R50. It comes with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, enabling wireless functions such as file viewing and transfer. You can easily connect the camera to compatible smart devices via Bluetooth using the free Canon Camera Connect app, making it simple to share your content. So, who is the Canon EOS R50 suitable for? This camera is perfect for a wide range of users, from budding photographers and vloggers to seasoned content creators looking for a reliable and versatile option. Whether you're capturing everyday moments, creating engaging video content, or exploring your artistic side, the EOS R50 provides the tools you need to succeed. In practical use, imagine taking this camera on a scenic hike, capturing stunning landscape shots with vibrant colors and sharp details. Or think about using it for your next family gathering, where you can shoot fast-moving kids at play, all while keeping the focus precise and clear. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera kit is a powerhouse that combines high image quality, advanced autofocus, and versatile video capabilities into a compact design. If you're serious about photography or videography, this camera is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.